Stay patient and wait for the right setups. This principle underscores the importance of patience in trading and the necessity of waiting for high-quality trade setups that align with your strategy. Here's a broader explanation. Patience is a virtue in trading. Rushing into trades without proper analysis or when conditions aren't optimal can lead to losses. Successful traders recognize that not every moment in the market is ideal for trading. Instead, they exercise patience and wait for the right opportunities that meet their predetermined criteria. Here's why patience matters. Quality over quantity. Patient traders prioritize quality trades over the quantity of trades. They understand that taking every possible trade can lead to overtrading and diluted returns. Risk management. Patience is closely tied to risk management. Waiting for the right setup allows you to maintain proper risk-reward ratios and set reasonable stop-loss levels. Reduced emotional stress. Impulsive trading decisions often result from impatience. By patiently waiting for the right setups, you can avoid emotional reactions and stay focused on your trading plan. Higher probability, quality setups. Have a higher probability of success because they align with your strategy and technical or fundamental analysis. Rushed trades are more likely to lead to losses. Consistency. Patient traders maintain consistency by sticking to their trading plan and strategy. They understand that chasing after every opportunity can disrupt their overall approach. To apply this principle effectively, you need a clear set of criteria that defines your ideal trade setup. This criteria may include specific technical indicators, chart patterns, or fundamental factors. Once these criteria are met, you can execute your trade with confidence, knowing you've exercised patience in waiting for the right moment. In summary, patience in trading is about waiting for high-quality opportunities that align with your strategy. It's a practice that helps manage risk, reduce emotional stress, and increase the probability of success over the long term.